This is it. Samsung has decided to bring back the biggest nightmare of their fan base. Of course, we are talking about the Exynos chip, particularly the latest Exynos 2400 that will be inside the Galaxy S24 series. After the incredible performance that Qualcomm gave us this year with the S23 lineup, you might be scratching your head and thinking, why is Samsung doing this? Well, we now know some answers, and basically it all comes down to cost cutting. According to the latest news, Qualcomm has priced the 8 Gen 3 chip for next generation 2024 flagships a lot higher compared to their previous generation prices, which is why you're gonna see a healthy amount of Android smartphone next year going for MediaTek flagship chips or Qualcomm's 8 Gen 2 chip instead of the 8 Gen 3. And well, Samsung won't be doing that. Instead, they're going for their own Exynos 2400 processor that they have spent 2 years building, and now thanks to the new report from China, we know exactly what kind of specs this chip will have. The Exynos 2400 is going to be a 10-core CPU chip with a potential 12-core GPU that's set to be 2 times faster than the Exynos 2200. It's going to be built on Samsung's 4nm process that's set to be improved. We don't know if it's as good as the 4nm TSMC process that will be utilized on the 8 Gen 3. Only time will tell, but what we do know is that it's also using one Cortex X4 CPU core similar to the 8 Gen 3 but clocked a bit lower at 3.1 GHz. I hope there will be some kind of boost clock speed. The camera ISP will be as strong as the 8 Gen 3, supporting 320 megapixel camera sensors and up to 8K 60 FPS videos. Now, like the 8 Gen 3, Exynos 2400 will be fully ready for satellite connectivity. The latest Exynos 5300 modem that was unveiled earlier this year will be supporting two-way communication with satellites. As for the GPUs, Samsung will be utilizing the latest Xclipse 920 GPU, which is again said to be 2 times faster than the previous generation. Hopefully, it should be able to match or come close to the performance that we're gonna see on the 8 Gen 3. Like I said, only time will tell. Also, Samsung has started the firmware development for the entire Galaxy S24 lineup, of course, based on Android 14 and possibly One UI 6.1. Along with this, we also have our first ever leaked physical parts look of the S24 series. Of course, these are the batteries for all 3 models, so pretty much the same sizes as the previous S23 lineup. We just have a slight increase of battery for the S24 Plus, meaning the big efficiency gains are coming with the latest chipsets. So there we go, the nightmare is real, it exists, it's definitely coming to the S24 series. We just only have to wait and see what kind of decisions Samsung is going to take. I really hope that the performance is at least on par with the 8 Gen 3. If Samsung manages to achieve that, then that would be the best for consumers and for Samsung themselves. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.